Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to change the units of measurement for weight in the Fitbit app. This is very useful if you prefer to track your weight in kilograms, pounds, or stone. Whether you are new to Fitbit or just want to adjust your settings, first, open the Fitbit app on your device. Next, tap on your profile photo located at the top right. Then, scroll down and click on Fitbit Settings. Inside the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Date, Time and Units, and tap on it. Once you are inside, find the option for weight. Click on Weight and you will see three choices: kilogram, pounds, and stone. Simply select the unit you prefer, and the app will automatically update all weight measurements to your chosen unit. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.